Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're cooking meatball subs out on the old Weber. And what we got here is 1 pound of ground beef chuck, and we've got 1 pound of Italian sausage, mild. Let's get started. Alright, so I got a bowl and I got our meat in there, both of our meats. Just gonna kind of break them up a little bit, get them mixed up together just a little bit. Then we're gonna put some seasonings in there. Alright, that's good. Okay, we're going to start off by adding some pepper and some salt. Maybe just about a teaspoon of each. A couple pinches of salt here. We're adding some garlic powder. I'm going to measure this out for y'all. About a tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm also going to add in some Italian seasoning. We're going to go with about a tablespoon of that. Right there. Add in some parmesan and romano cheese. We're going to go with a half a cup of that. Approximately a half a cup. Might be a little bit more. I just spilt the parmesan. And we're going to go in with a half a cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. For now. That should be good though. I've got about a half of a white onion here that we're just going to dice up. We're also going to add in there. Just going to dice it like that. Then just go this way. We're going to finely dice this. As fine as we can. I'm just going to go over it like this. Because I want them onions pretty fine. Ought to be good. Let's add in our onion. Then we're going to go in with 2 eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs. And that is all the ingredients that's going to go into these meatballs. It's pretty simple. Now we just got to take our hand, this up real good. Got that mixed up pretty good. Looking good to me. Now it's time to make some balls. We're gonna make some balls now, form some balls, and I've wetted my hands because it helps out a little bit. Now you make your balls as big or as small as you want, but I'm gonna make mine not too big. I don't want real big balls. Oh no. That right there might be about maybe a golf ball size right there. Right, make all them balls right there. Once I get them made, I'll bring y'all back. Man, this is gonna be mighty fine, I tell you. Alright, there's our balls. I got 16 balls out of there. Them are probably actually a little bit bigger than a golf ball. Just a little bit. But I'm gonna put these in the fridge, let them hang out for a little while I go get the old Weber started up. Here's our meatballs. I'm going to place them all over here, opposite of the hot coals. We're going to be running a grill about between 275 and 300 today. These will probably cook for probably about 30-40 minutes, I guess. All the meatballs on. I'm just going to throw 1 chunk of cherry wood right there. Don't want too much smoke going on them, just a little bit. I'm going to put the lid on them. Let them cook. We'll come back and check on them here in a few. Check on the meatballs. Man, look at that. Mighty fine looking. I'm going to check the temperature of them. They've been going about 30 minutes. They're about 160 degrees, so I'm going to get them in a pan. Then we're going to add some sauce to them. Got one of them aluminum pans here. It's put all the balls in it. And we're going to put some marinara sauce on it. Right here is what I'm using. You use any kind you want. Put this whole jar on there. And I might put a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to go get another jar and put probably another jar. Another jar going on. Alright, that's looking good. Now I'm just going to put the cover on it. And I'm going to let it go maybe another 20 minutes or so, maybe 30, we'll see. Check on our meatballs. Man, them are looking mighty fine, I tell you. Alright, they've been cooking in the sauce for about 40 minutes, I'd say. And we cooked the meatballs at 300 degrees. Once I put them in the sauce, I cranked my damper open, and they've been cooking about 350 degrees with the sauce on them. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these off. We'll get started on our sub. Alright, I got me a sub roll. I'm going to open them up like that, and I'm going to take some of this garlic butter. It's just butter with garlic powder in it. Brush it on each side. Get it on there real good. Got the garlic butter on there good. Now I'm just going to toast them up. Woo! Won't take but a minute. Alright. Nice and toasted. And y'all see, now we're just going to take some of this mozzarella and provolone cheese. Put a little bit of that down on the bottom of it. Take some of our meatballs. We're going to take about 4 of them. I put them in this bowl here. 4 of them bad boys on there. 4 of them meatballs on there. Take some of that sauce. Spoon over top of it. Oh yeah. Gotta have more cheese on it. Meatball sub, gotta have a lot of cheese on it. Take him, try to fold him up like that. Sit him right there. And we're gonna put the lid on it. Let that cheese get nice and melty. Alright y'all, we're gonna pull him off. Let him cool down for a minute, try him out. There's our meatball sub. I'm gonna put a little bit of a parmesan romano cheese on top of it. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna cut it in half. And there's our meatball sub. Give this bad boy a try. Gotta tell you guys, that right there is mighty fine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.